search for glory. Just like moth we may go blind, chasing for the glow of our desires. Time keeps rolling while you're burning. Time keeps rolling while you're dealing with some big regret, all dreaming of a different life somewhere else, someone else. And your heroes turn to dust. Did you trade your dreams for common knowledge? Was it fair? Time keeps rolling while you're burning. Time keeps rolling while you're She keep her biz booming down Front Street, open with the funk so that no one wants beef. She the type that like to lay it all on the line. She say what's on the mind, that way it ain't a crime. The crime is that you show no shame and you make those claims like you play no games, when in reality you the biggest player of them all. The princess that wore the most layers to the ball, trying to cover up when you laying in your drawers. You front like you a freak and everything you say is wrong, but deep down you really scared he's gonna leave you. Your closet got more skeletons than the dia. De los muertos, you worse than my perros, my dogs that only fuck with broads from the ghetto. You date losers cause it make you feel superior. Try to tell me lies to justify, but all I'm hearing is the face for your truck, 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 face for your truck. just like a snake, then they can't complain. Nah, people love you and cling to them raw fumes. Keep it up, 'cause we don't see through your costume. She been a little queen since 15, in and out of different scenes, never kept the image clean. So critical, over analytical. Fast forward, of course, old and miserable. Long trail of breadcrumbs and head games. Bed bums, the best ones get pet names. First glance, you can see the dirt. Closet door wide open, no need to search. Nah, the truth is just an excuse that you use to polish up a pair of selfish shoes.